My name is Trent Waybright. I am the Director of Pre-Owned Operations for the Kelley Automotive Group in Fort Wayne, Indiana. I've been with the organization for 18 years. We've been with vAuto since 2007 and started on Stockwave January of this year. We use several products from vAuto, Provision, Conquest, and now we're up and running on Stockwave. For us, the largest frustration, pain of acquiring inventory on a daily basis is the net result. Given the amount of time that we research, that we prepare in doing appraisals ahead of time, and then the next day to come in and only get 2 to 3 cars after spending 3 to 4 hours in preparation and generating a list of 75 cars is a very demoralizing, frustrating situation for everybody. Stockwave has made a profound impact upon our used car operations just in the short time we've had the tool for many reasons, but primarily because it's made us more efficient. We've seen a 25.8% increase in our front-end gross generated per unit on purchase units, which is a major accomplishment for our company. On top of that, we're more efficient. We spend less time doing the amount of research that needs to be done to acquire the inventory that we do. We've also bought more cars year to date. Prior to Stockwave, we've had an extensive journey with acquisition of inventory in the company. We have 6 facilities. I had a new car background, sold for 7 years, went to our Saturn facility, ran that facility for 5 years as the GM. Tom Kelley then put me in charge of our used car operations over the 6 facilities. Obviously, used cars has a very emotional background, and we had a lot of managers at the store levels that used the golden gut. We used to send those guys to the physical sales. And so I had to try to figure out, how do I change that? How do we become more successful in our used car operations? On the flip side of that, I was very Excel savvy. So one of the first natural things for me to do was to simply go into Manheim, to Odessa, to the independent sales and copy the run lists from the auctions, paste them into an Excel program that I created, and simply filter down from there to start with. And that could add up to 10 to 20 to 25,000 cars at any given time. And so I do that daily. As time went on, though, we decided then that we ought to attend the physical sales. So, of course, I was the guy that would sit down and try to prepare for the next day. So I'd work my normal hours here at the dealership, go home, spend time with the kids, do what I needed to do there, and then I would get back on the computer and spend another 3 or 4 hours in preparation for the next day. Stockwave has enabled us to change our complete buying process, where we used to spend 3 to 4 days a week at the physical sales for the last several years, and spend hours upon hours researching in preparation for the physical sales, has now enabled us to become more efficient, to spend a lot less time, to spend better time at the dealership, not have to go on the road, and all that with better success. Stockwave has helped us solve numerous issues, but to me, there's one that stands out more so than any other. The simple ability to be able to take 180 to 200,000 cars and place them into one funnel for dealers like us, to then have the capability to filter down to what we need for our inventories is a major feat, in my opinion. Stockwave has made a huge improvement to our cost, to our efficiency with acquisition of inventory for many reasons. First of all, I'm not having to attend the sales. Where I used to spend 3 to 4 hours every evening in preparation for the next day's sale, getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning, getting in my car, driving to the auction, spending all that time there, and then getting in the car and going to the next sale, has been eliminated, all but eliminated. Stockwave has helped us in numerous ways so far with regards to gross, finding the right inventory. It really enables you to narrow in and filter upon inventory that you feel you need for inventory. The other cool feature of it is, it doesn't matter how you buy cars, whether you're a vAuto dealer, whether you're an independent dealer, or just a used car dealer, you have the ability to go into the settings and set the system up how you want to buy cars. And so then the tool has the ability to take your settings and really drill down to what you need for inventory. And that is what has been tremendous so far.